The smart and easy way to do your laundry. Samsung Digital Inverter Front-Load Washing Machine. It features elegant design, digital inverter technology, ceramic heater and 15-minute quick wash. Its simple and modern style, with white color body and crystal gloss design, adds a chic and elegant look to your household. The inbuilt digital inverter motor rotates smoothly and consumes less energy, while a non-inverter motor rotates with resistance, causing noise and vibration. It delivers superior energy efficiency, minimal noise, and long-lasting performance. With its ceramic heater, your washer will be around for years to come. It's more durable than conventional heaters by efficiently maintaining its thermal conductivity. The 15-minute quick wash program completes the washing in just 15 minutes, with high-speed water sprays and drum spins. A 15-minute wash is the perfect solution for your busy life. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter Front-Load Washing Machine.